What's up here, everyone? Live with our 2-box break of Topps Chrome Stadium Club. Baseball here. I am going to get right off and ripping box number 1. Got a couple more breaks here tonight. Our 4-box Topps Series 1 break up after this at 10:50. And then our 2021 and 22 Bowman Heritage break up at the end of the night, 11:40, I believe. That one is scheduled for, and that one still ending here on eBay. So, go grab yourself a couple more teams here before the end of the night. And after this, we've got breaks, let's see, Thursday and Friday, I believe. Alright, box number 1. Let me got a couple group requests here. Alright, got those 3 approved. Here we go. Good luck. Box number 1. Jeremy Pena rookie for the Astros. Paul Molitor refractor for the Blue Jays. George Kirby, Will Smith team of the future. Joe Dunand rookie. Urias Votto Beam team. Shane Bieber. Spencer Torkelson base for the Tigers. Acuna team of the future, Greg Maddux. Ricky Henderson. Kyle Tucker refractor for the Astros. Lodolo. Woodruff. Freddie Freeman trophy hunters. That wraps up your first half here. Rowdy Tellez. Ortiz trophy hunters. Kelnick base. O'Neill Cruz beam team for the Pirates. Whit Merrifield. And out of 99, Brian Lavastida for the Guardians. And redemption. Updates base autograph gold. Gold out of 50. Here we go. Julio Rodriguez for the Seattle Mariners. Out of 50. There we go. J-Rod. Big Stadium Club Chrome auto here. Julio Rodriguez on the gold refractor auto. And that will be a beauty. Very nice hit. Get Hulk out here. Beautiful card out of box 1. Nice hit. Lavastida green out of 99 for the Guardians. These couple sleeved up here. box 1 here. Alright, Will Clark. And blue out of 199, Babe Ruth for the Yankees. Nice hit, Babe Ruth. Blue out of 199 for the New York Yankees. Nice hit. $176 out of 199. Nice hit there for the Yankees. Bryce Elder rookie. Arenado Beam team. Nimmo Manoa team of the future. Matt Vierling, Jesus Sanchez. Derek Jeter, Trophy Hunters. Jeff Bagwell. Mookie Betts, Dynasty. And 2 autos. Whoa! 2 autos here in box 1. Wander Franco. Green auto out of 99. How about that? Wander Franco, green auto out of 99, and J-Rod gold redemption out of 50. 75 out of 99 on the Wander green auto. I don't know. Let's see here. Did have the other Hulks somewhere, but nice hit. Rays and Mariners. Couple big hits there. Out of box 1. That wraps it up. Great start here. Let's leave up these couple. Wow. Alright, box 2. Here we go. Great start there in box 1. Alright, box 2 here. Potentially 2 more autos. Can't say 1 auto after that first box. Looking for some murky color in here. Jose, yes. Spot on, my friend. Spot on. Alright. Box number 2. Here we go. Good luck. Wade Boggs, Kirilloff, and gold. Rafael Devers out of 50. Rafael Devers on the gold refractor, 28 out of 50 for the Boston Red Sox. Nice hit. 28 out of 50. Pretty card for the Red Sox there. Anthony Rizzo, Brendan Donovan, Vladdy Jr. Trophy Hunters, Torkelson Beam Team Rookie, Jose Canseco, Melendez Rookie, Wander Franco Beam Team, Pete Alonso, J-Rod Team of the Future, Frank Thomas, Bo Bichette, Ricky Henderson Refractor for the Athletics. That wraps up your first half. Second half here. Liam Hendriks base, Friedel base, Rivera Trophy Hunters, Brandon Nimmo Refractor, Ryan Sandberg, Julio Rodriguez base, Alex Faedo, Vladdy Jr. Team of the Future, Darryl Strawberry, Freddie Peralta. Still looking for our auto here. And Wave Refractor here, Destiny Tatis, and Wave Refractor, Luis Robert. Team of the Future Wave for the White Sox. Nice hit. Jose Abreu, Mackenzie Gore, Ohtani Beam Team, and Matt Vierling, Rookie Refractor Auto, your hit here, out to box number 2 for the Philadelphia Phillies. And last little bit here of box 2. Nope. No color here yet, just the wave so far here out of box 2. Like to see some color. Luzardo, Ty France. Oh no, the Devers out of 50 came out of this box, I guess. Ohtani Team of the Future. Yastrzemski, Story Refractor. Sorry, Story Base. It's that glare, I apologize. Donaldson, Alcantara, and blue out of 199, Babe Ruth again. Come on. Babe Ruth out of 199, number 2. What are the odds? The odds are not likely, I will tell you that. It's crazy. And that ends off box number 2 and the break here to Babe Ruth. Blues. 26 out of 199 and 176 out of 199 there. Kind of neat. Very cool cards. Nice hits for the Yankees for sure. Sharp hits. Alright. We'll get these sleeved up here. Thanks again everyone for hanging out. Fun break. Great first box obviously, and not too shabby of a second. So I will get these sleeved up here and be going on a recap shortly after. And I will be back in 15 minutes. I will be back at 10:50 with a 4-box break of Series 1 Hobby. Alright, recap. Couple inserts here. Jeter Trophy Hunters, Tatis Destiny, Team of the Futures, Ohtani Angels, Vladdy Jr., Blue Jays, Acuna Braves, J-Rod Mariners. Beam Teams, Torkelson, Tigers, Franco, Rays, O'Neill Cruz, Pirates, Ohtani, Angels. Base, Pena, Astros, Torkelson, Tigers. J-Rod base as well for the Mariners. And refractors, Ricky Henderson, Athletics, Brandon Nimmo, Mets, Paul Molitor, Blue Jays, Cal Tucker, Astros. A couple more hits here. Matt Vierling, rookie refractor auto for the Phillies. Luis Robert, team of the future wave for the White Sox. Your showcase, Brian Lavastida on the green rookie refractor out of 99 for the Guardians. Couple Babe Ruth blues out of 199. Both blue out of 199. Numbered here 26 out of 199 and 176 out of 199. Nice hits there for the Yankees. Rafael Devers on the gold refractor out of 50 for the Boston Red Sox. Wander Franco, green auto out of 99. Very nice hit for the Tampa Bay Rays. 75 out of 99. Beautiful card. But not your Hulk smash hit of the break here. Your Hulk smash hit of the break, Julio Rodriguez on the gold auto out of 50 for the Seattle Mariners. And that will officially wrap up the break here for Stadium Club Chrome. Thanks, guys, for hanging out for this one. Great break, a lot of fun. Hope to see you back here with some Series 1 next. I will be back here in about 15 minutes. Thanks, everyone. Bye-bye.